All right, next up we've got another bendy one for you, back bend. This is a simple one where we actually start just standing here, hands go up, and we lean all the way back until we catch ourselves into a bridge. So I should say it's simple to understand. It might be a little bit tricky to actually do. Coach Sal, show us what this one looks like. Just like that, makes it look easy. So again, we start standing. We are going to lean backwards, reaching those hands towards the floor until they catch, more or less. Now, some tips for you guys. First, a great way to practice this is, of course, to make sure you have a solid bridge, but also you can use a wall for this one, okay? So it's a little bit easier than the handstand bridge down, but instead here, we're gonna start facing away from the wall. Hands are reaching right next to our ears, and we are very slowly going to walk our feet away, letting ourselves walk down the wall with our hands into a bridge shape, okay? Until eventually your goal is to be able to get all the way down to the ground, okay? Now, if that gets a little bit too easy for you, again, be very careful whenever you're using the wall or if you're around any furniture, but we can try maybe putting a blanket down on the floor or something a little bit softer like a mattress if you have it, okay? Again, just like with the handstand bridge down, if you have someone that you trust to spot you, let's have them spot you by the lower back, other one right by the shoulders, and slowly lower you down. Okay, so here I'm spotting for Coach Dallas. He's gonna have his hands up. I'm gonna spot here by the lower back, one by the upper back, right here by the shoulders, and slowly bring them down. Okay, again, if you're going this route, make sure you keep your elbows in tight so you can really support, so you don't drop your friends on their heads. The final thing about this one really, again, similar to the handstand bridge down where our upper body was frozen, now it's our lower body that's a little bit more frozen here, okay? The upper body does most of the work. We're not tipping over before we reach. We're trying to keep everything from here down, frozen in place. Now, if you're having a little bit of trouble with this, sometimes it might be all right to experiment with letting your hips move forward a little bit to counter. But again, for the most part, we want to go straight back with it, not tipping, bridging down, curling down. And that's our back bend.